everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then hi, my name is Shubhangi and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'll be letting you know what all I shopped from Nykaa in the Independence Day sale. So if you want to know what all I shopped, then please keep on watching. So this time I got my order part by part. I don't know why, and one parcel is still in transit. I mean one package, I guess. I don't know why. The last time I ordered, everything came in together, but that's okay. So this is what I have in these two. The first thing that I have with me is Swiss Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow. This is how it looks. I'm sorry, but I'm checking everything on my phone, the prices and the shade, because I don't exactly remember as of how much discount did I get in each and every single product, which I want to tell you guys. So yes, the very first thing that I said, Swiss Beauty Metallic Eyeshadow, I got it in 199 rupees in the shade 03 Champagne. This is how the doe foot applicator looks like. This is how the swatch looks like. I hope you can see how metallic and how shiny it is. It is a must buy from my side. I will give that product a big thumbs up because it is like very good. The pigmentation and everything, even the staying power, and also you can blend it pretty easily, and the price point in which it comes in, it's a steal deal according to me. So yes, that was the very first product that I got. Moving on with the second product. So the second product that I have is this eyelashes, which I got it from Miss Claire. Okay, so yes, it is just a pair of normal lashes. This is in the number 53. This is how it looks. So I have never tried putting on lashes by myself, and I was so fascinated in seeing these YouTubers try it, so I wanted to try it by myself also. So henceforth, yes, I ordered this, and this retails for 195 rupees. So I think it is pretty cheap, and I will let you know as of how the quality is and how many time did it last me. So yes. Moving on with the third product that I have. So the third product is pretty mind-blowing. Okay, it is this eyeshadow palettes. Okay, talking about this, I have applied this on my eyes today. This is by Nicka K Sugar Plum. Okay, this is how the pigmentation came in. So these eyeshadow palettes are from Nicka K. So this retails for originally 599, that is 600, but I got it for 300 each. Okay, now I will be doing a separate review as of how I feel about it, because as you can see, I have applied this sugar plum wala on my eyes today. So I do have an idea as of how I feel about this eyeshadows. I will be doing a review video, so please do check that out. If in case you want to buy it, I will let you know exactly how I feel. The name of the first eyeshadow palette is Sugar Plum, and the next one is Birthday Cake. So the next thing that I got is this Faces Magnetic Eyes Kajal. It's just a regular black kajal that you have. I ran out of mine, so I ordered one. Now the last product that I have in this haul is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, which looks like this. This is how the palette looks like. Okay, it comes with 3 glitter shades and 6 matte shades. Okay, and the number of this is 01. Okay, you have many colors in this, and this retails for 229 rupees only. No discounts I got in this, of course. What else am I expecting? So yes, and the last thing which I did not yet get delivered onto my doorstep is of course a lash glue. I'll let you know what the company is. From Bronze-On Professional Eyelash Glue Adhesive, clear, white and waterproof, which retails for 120 rupees only, and it retails and it weighs 7 gram. So yes, that was all about my today's video, or the Nykaa haul that I shopped in the Independence Day sale. If you did like my video, then please share it with your friends, and also don't forget to like this video or unlike it, whatever you feel my content deserved. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.